Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. On this week's video, we are actually going to be finishing up the twins' room. Last week, we did the makeover on all their furniture. And then this week, we're actually going into the house to install. So guys, make sure to watch to the end to see the final look of the space and the girls' reaction. All right guys, so we just made it to the house. I got my hubby back there helping me unload the car. We're about to get everything and get started. All right guys, I am headed up the stairs. So here's what we're working with some of the stuff. So here's some of the toys. And then these, of course, are what we brought in. We're gonna refill the bean bags with some of these here. That's more stuff we brought in. But here's the space, guys. So I created the layout so as soon as you come in, they have their 2 bunk beds here. Then you come around, this is their bookshelf. I'm gonna go in and move this stuff around here. Here is their closet. I'm gonna go in here and organize in here, get it together, and clear out the space and put different things in there. And then we come around here, and here are some of their toys. And then we have the bunk bed. So I'm gonna do some stuff here, a cute little feature wall here, and something cute over here too. But yeah guys, that's how it looks so far. Alright guys, so I went through all the stuffed animals, and these are going to be the ones that we're keeping in because they go with the color scheme. We have our purples, teals, pinks. I did put some yellows in there because the unicorns have yellow in there. And then I guess we'll have a little under the sea action in here because why not? It's sparkly. But yes guys, this is what we're keeping. I'm going to go in there, look to see what I'm gonna do in there. Okay guys, I have a quick tip when trying to organize your closet. Very simple, so just to keep your hangers cohesive. So I'm gonna go in here and show you what I mean by that. So you see right here, there's some plastic hangers, like clear plastic, and then the nice cute pink ones. There's some dark pink and light pink, which are so cute. But what I'm going to go in here and do actually is take out all these clear plastic hangers and just use all these pink and dark pink and light pink hangers. So I'll show y'all how it looks after I go in and take out the other hangers. So if you look down here, those are all the hangers that they had still with the clothes, and these are the cute little pink hangers that they have, pink, white, light pink. So I just went in here and this is how it's looking so far guys. I just went in and I separated because of course they are twin girls, so I just made sure to separate it. So right here is the divide line, this little bar. This is going to be one side and this is the other, and they have the exact same clothes, so I just put it in order. So if they want to wear the same thing, they just grab and go. Then I'm going to add some stuff at the top, get their shoes all together, and we will be set in here. So they have several different backpacks here. I'm going to take the cutest one. I like this one. I think it'll look cute up there in the closet for storage. And I'm going to then roll these up. So this one also has a few bags in there too. So I'm just going to take this and roll it up. So it's just that simple, guys. Just roll it up and combine your bags. And that's just a quick little organizing storage tip if you have tons of different bags. I like these. I want to keep these out because they're unicorn and they match the room. So we're keeping these out. I'm going to put these in the closet. These 4 will be in the closet. Alright guys, so we went ahead and measured out 1 foot going down and 2 feet over. And then I'm going to go in now and put the dots in between here. And then we'll have a nice pattern on this wall. So let me show you how we do this. Just peel and stick. It's really easy, guys. So here is the overall look of it. I'm loving it. We did not go down far down here because the dresser's going there. So we just left that blank. Right, we're taking the curtains off. We've got this double hanger so I can add shears to there. I think it's gonna be cute. Here you go, baby. about to make up the bed. I did the top bunk already. I'll show you that in a minute, but I'm going to show you how I do the bottom one. Alright, so that is how I have it looking now. I just put all their favorite stuffed animals back in there that match the comforter. So we have teals, pinks, blues. So that's here. That's for this bunk. And then on the top, we did the same thing. So there's the unicorn bedding and all the toys. I'm loving it, guys. Alright, so I'm about to put the rug down, get the little canopy area done, and we will be finished in this space, guys. I cannot wait to show y'all the end results. So let's finish up. Alright guys, we just finished up the space. Come on in and let me show you what it looks like. As soon as we walk in, we have those bean bags right here, and it's so cute because they have the little unicorn pillows on there in different colors for the twin girls. Then here is the star here, our unicorn. We made those flowers. Loving it. It turned out really nice. And then we're gonna come here, and here is the DIY bookshelf that we painted to match the bed. And isn't that a perfect match, guys? I organized the books to make sure that we had that. So this right here is all their reading books here, and then down here are all their school books. I also went in here, and in this thing, this is their markers, and I found this when I was cleaning up, and it's this cute little thing. It says, "You are magical," and it goes so well with our theme, so I went ahead and put their markers in there. And then in this one, we have like puzzles and stuff like that in there. And then up top, I just got this little Hella sign from Target, and then they already had this cute little decor. And then this basket, we sprayed that white. It used to be pink, and then I just glued these little ball tassels on here, and then I just put like their remotes inside. And then if you come over here, guys, we have the canopy, and then I just made it a little cute area where they can grab a book from here and read or play or whatever they want to do. And then if we go around, we have our accent wall that we did in the polka dots, this cute pink rug, and of course our DIY dresser. This is so cute, guys. I am loving it. And then the twinkle lights, and then this thing right here says Land of Make Believe. I got that from Target, and guys, it was $3, but then everything was like 70% off that day, so that was probably like some change, $1 or something, but it was nice. And then this right here is the comforter set that I decided to go with. So this is down here is pink and purple, and then we have the teal sheets with this one, and then this one right here is purple and teal, and then we have pink sheets with this. So it just looks so cute and goes along with the theme. And then we put the pink pillows on this bed, and then I put the more purple and blue pillows on this bed. So it just ties all in. Let's go into the closet too, because we have some cute stuff in here we did. So I went ahead and put their backpacks here, and then I split the clothes, so one side is for one of the twins and the other side is the other, so you could kind of see where it's duplicating here. And then we put some overflow blankets in there, and then some of their like coloring books in there, and they have toys there, and then their shoes, ones are there and the other is in that one. And then in the drawer I did some organizing too, so I went ahead and just folded their jeans, leggings, and t-shirts. So I got that up there, and then down here is all of their night clothes, but I also just left some open space so they can add whatever else they want to later on, guys. But yes, I am loving this whole space. I got it organized for them. I designed and decorated everything, and I just can't wait to see what the girls think of this space when they see it. Alright guys, so that is all for this week's video. I hope you enjoyed everything you saw. I know the girls are loving it, but guys, if you are enjoying everything you're seeing, make sure to hit that subscription button below, and also hit that notification bell. We have tons of room makeovers coming up, and I don't want you to miss out. And also guys, if you can leave me a comment below, let me know what area in the room you liked most. Was it the dotted wall? Was it the tents? Was it the unicorn wall decal? Let me know. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
Everything I like is my bed up here because it's my favorite color, and I love my tent that I can read in. And these dots, they're not painted, they're stickered. And these lights that are still on. Like, I just like everything. I can't choose.
You like your comforter?
Yes. That's perfect.
You like your new pink
Mine
rug?
is pink.
Yeah, feel it, so.
And it's my favorite color. I
Get a
love
look at it.
purple.
Yeah, what about your unicorn on the wall right here?
I love my unicorn that's on the wall.
Y'all can take pictures in front of the unicorn.
Yay! Yay!
We say cheese.
Cheese!